What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. What's up, y'all? If you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. My name is Jada. I do beauty, wigs, challenges, sometimes prank, but yeah, that's what I do here. I just reached 1,000 subscribers. But yeah, and I was trying to come up with some names for you guys. The names that I have is J Dolls, and then I have Baby J's, because you know, J Dolls is for my girls, and then sometimes I have boys that watch me, so Baby J's, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of cute, right? Kind of cute. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna start calling y'all. So welcome my J Dolls and my Baby J's. Period. Because if you're not subscribing, you ain't fine. But yeah, if you want to get this look and how to make your frontal look like a closure, just keep watching, because I'm going to do a install and you're gonna see how I achieve this look and some tips for you guys. So yeah, I'm just gonna be installing this wig. It is from Allove. It's from Allove. So thank you, Allove, for sponsoring this video and reaching out to me and wanting me to show you guys the hair. And y'all know I always want to show y'all hair. As soon as I get it, I always want to show y'all. And I'm also going to do a review. So this is just a install on this wig, how to make your wigs look like a frontal, because this is not a frontal, this is a closure 4x4. If you want to see all the details on this hair and stuff, make sure you go watch the next video, because I'm dropping 2 videos in the same day. So make sure you go over there to watch that first, and then of course watch the installs. But yeah, let's get right into the video. this is the final look. I know it started off kind of roughy, you know, because of the lace, but my camera does not pick up lace good, so let me just show y'all on my phone how the lace look right now. So yeah, this lace looks so bomb, and y'all can see that it looks so good. I barely had to pluck. I bleached it and it bleached so well. I'm gonna mention that in my review, so don't forget to check that out. But yeah, this is the final look and I love it. I tried to do some new baby hairs. As y'all can see, the one swoop in the middle, try to do something different. But yeah, that is how you achieve, girl. That's how you make a 4x4 look like a whatever a frontal is, because everybody be asking me thinking that I'm wearing frontals all the time. No, baby girl, this is a 4x4. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn the post notifications on so you can know when your girl posts, and I'll see you in my next video.